Jay's just trying to kill us. Me and my friend are hiding. Bye-bye, guys. My brother will be in any second now. Subscribe and hit the like button if you want more. They're force.
Dang, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. Jared's out.
No!
Oh, you got two more?
There's two more! Jay, stop!
Do it, Oliver.
Oh no. Oh no. Guys. Ah! We might do 2 or 3 rounds.
Oh.
Oh no. Ah! We're ready. Oh!
Oh, my hair got on. You're out, Oliver. That was 2?
No! Surrender!
You surrender?
Give me those bullets! Yeah, surrender. Come on, bro.
You just shoot. Oh. It's jammed.
Jace won. Jace surrenders! I surrendered. He was so whoever killed me gets mine.
Why'd you surrender?
Because I knew I was gonna die and I wanted to kill people.
Okay.
That was bad. If you want more nerf boards like this,
See, and it goes you guys. One more time?
if you want it, yeah, one more time.
All right, both